Hey, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Smart Choice, where we help you make informed decisions about the best tech for your home. Today, we're diving deep into the world of premium robot vacuums, comparing 5 top-tier models that are revolutionizing home cleaning. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated with our latest product reviews. In today's video, we'll be exploring 5 amazing robot vacuums that represent the pinnacle of home cleaning technology. We'll be looking at the Roborock Qrevo Master, the Narwal Freo X Ultra, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 combo, the Dreame X40 Ultra, and the Eufy Robot Vacuum Omni S1 Pro. Each of these models brings something unique to the table, and I'll help you understand which one might be the perfect fit for your home. Let's start with the Roborock Qrevo Master, a true powerhouse in the robot vacuum world. What immediately stands out about this model is its impressive 10,000 ppa suction power, but that's just the beginning. The Qrevo Master features an innovative flexi-arm design that achieves something remarkable: 100% coverage of internal corners and edges. The multifunctional Dock 3.0 is a game-changer, using hot water for thorough mop cleaning and offering an impressive 7 weeks of hands-free operation. What really caught my attention during testing was the built-in Hello Rocky voice assistant and the interactive video call feature, which pet owners will absolutely love. The way it automatically detects and adapts to carpets shows the thoughtful engineering that went into this device. Moving on to the Narwal Freo X Ultra, this model tackles one of the biggest pain points in robot vacuums: hair tangling. With its certified zero-tangling brush design and 8,200 psi suction power, it's particularly well-suited for homes with pets. What sets this model apart is its self-contained dust processing system. Unlike traditional robots that simply empty into a base station, the Freo X Ultra compresses the dust for up to 7 weeks of maintenance-free cleaning. The base station itself is a marvel of engineering, automatically handling everything from mop washing to drying, making it truly hands-free. The ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 combo brings something unique to our lineup. It's actually 2 vacuums in one. With its 8,700 pA suction power and impressive 140-degree Fair hot water cleaning system, it's already a capable cleaner. But the addition of a separate handheld vacuum takes versatility to a new level. During testing, I found the dual laser LiDAR navigation system to be incredibly precise, and the AI-powered obstacle avoidance made it one of the most intelligent robots I've used. The Dreame X40 Ultra stands out with its class-leading 12,000 pH suction power, but raw power isn't its only strength. The innovative side reach technology with its liftable, extendable side brush tackles those traditionally hard-to-reach spots along walls and furniture legs. What impressed me most was its smart features. The Omni-Dirt detection combined with Mop Extend RoboSwing technologies means it can detect and effectively clean stubborn messes, even under low furniture. The 158-degree hot water cleaning system ensures the mops stay fresh and hygienic. Finally, we have the Eufy Omni S1 Pro, which brings some unique innovations to the table. Its 10-in-1 UniClean station is a technological marvel, featuring everything from auto-emptying to eco-clean ozone technology. The floor washing system with its 11.4-inch mop and ozonated water reservoir offers a new approach to floor sanitization. While its 8,000 pH suction might be lower than some competitors, the overall cleaning performance is still impressive, especially considering its price point. So which one should you choose? If you're a pet owner, the Narwal Freo X Ultra Zero Tangling technology makes it an obvious choice. For the best all-around performance, the Roborock Qrevo Master offers an impressive balance of features and capabilities. Those seeking maximum suction power should consider the Dreame X40 Ultra. The ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 combo is perfect for households wanting the versatility of both robot and handheld vacuums. And if you're looking for the best value while still getting premium features, the Eufy Omni S1 Pro is your best bet. I've included special discount links for all these models in the description below. Using these links helps support the channel and ensures you get the best available prices. Which of these robot vacuums do you think would work best in your home? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Smart Choice for more in-depth product reviews. See you in the next video.